Yeah, good afternoon all. Now we study about the feelings and the expression of the face, and when we feel something, so this is they are all adjectives. So please pay attention and just practice and how to practice in Bahasa Indonesia. So we start from this picture. Please guess. How do you feel? It means worried in Bahasa Indonesia, cemas or khawatir. Remember, the K sound is omitted, so we begin the sound from khawatir. Khawatir, cemas, yeah. In Bahasa Inggris or in English, worried. Yeah, so this is the expression of cemas or khawatir. And then, yeah, look at these pictures. Sorry. Yeah. So, if we translate to the feelings, it is scared or frightened. In Bahasa Indonesia, takut. 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 So, this is the picture of when you feel takut, rasa takut. So, this is the expressions of your face. Alright. And then next, there are two feelings here, happy and sad. In Bahasa Indonesia, sad, sedih, sedih. And then this one, senang, bahagia, ceria. So there are three translations into Indonesian. Happy is translated into senang, bahagia, and then ceria. Yeah, look at these pictures, these expressions. So they tell us about the feeling of laughing. Laughing in Bahasa Indonesia, tertawa, tertawa. So these pictures tell us about the feeling of laughing, tertawa, tertawa. And then we saw here, yeah. We continue to these pictures, both pictures. So it tell about the feeling of sad, sedih, sedih, yeah, okay, sedih in Bahasa Indonesia, sedih in English, sad. Okay, yeah, look at these two pictures. So they tell us the same feeling, means crying. Crying in Bahasa Indonesia, menangis, menangis, menangis in English, crying. So those two pictures tell us about the feeling of menangis. And then look at these pictures. These three pictures tell us about the feeling of angry or mad. In Bahasa Indonesia, marah, marah. In English, angry or mad. So these three pictures tell us about marah, marah. Yeah, look at this. I like these pictures, yeah, because I like smiley people. This is called tersenyum. Tersenyum. Tersenyum in Bahasa Inggris, smiley. Smiley. So those three pictures tell us about the feeling tersenyum. And then we continue to those three pictures. Yeah. These pictures tell us about the feeling of malas. Malas in English, lazy. Lazy in Bahasa Indonesia, malas. Malas. So look at these pictures. These pictures tell us about the feeling of malas. And then we continue to jealous or envy. Jealous or envy in Bahasa Indonesia, cemburu. Cemburu. Cemburu means in Bahasa Inggris or in English, jealous or envy. So in Bahasa Indonesia, cemburu. So those pictures tell us about the feeling of cemburu. Cemburu. Usually our eyebrow is like how do you say, like jeruk purut. How do I say in bahasa Indonesia? Yeah, it's similar to getting mad. Yeah, so jealousy or envy is a motive for getting mad. Yeah, so jealous or envy is translated into cemburu. Cemburu. So look at these pictures. These pictures tell us about the feeling of cemburu, in English envy or jealous. So we continue to these pictures. Yeah, look at their smiles. Yeah, so it is called bahagia or senang, happy or glad. In bahasa Indonesia, it can be bahagia or senang or ceria. So we studied just now for the first picture just now. We saw from ceria, bahagia, senang. So it means happy or glad can be translated into bahagia, senang or ceria. And then this is the last pictures. Look at them. They tell us about the feeling of tender. Tender. In bahasa Indonesia lembut. Lembut in English tender. So these pictures tell us about the feeling of lembut or tender in bahasa English or in English. Yeah, so I suggest you to practice more and more so that you can train your tongue to practice the sound of Indonesian language. So I'm Gunawan Tambun Saribu. I'll see you next or other time with other topic. Thank you. Please like, subscribe or comment on my videos. Goodbye.